So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a natural African black soap body wash that will help to clear up any skin irritation, acne, pimple, blemishes, and also increase your skin complexion. So stay tuned. To make this body wash, I'll be making use of sulfur. I'm going to crush the sulfur into fine powder. Sulfur contains anti-inflammatory, which will help to clear up any skin irritation like ringworm, eczema, acne. So I'll be using 1 tablespoon of sorghum leaf. I'll add hot water and allow it to infuse, then strain to get the juice. This leaf contains anti-inflammatory property, antioxidant. It has healing property which will help to cleanse, support skin repair, hydrate the skin, and it has vitamins and minerals which will help to nourish the skin. So you can check out my video on how to make your sorghum leaf powder. I'll be adding a teaspoon of sandalwood powder. This is a natural skin product that will help to absorb excess oil, remove impurity from the pores. So I'll be mixing all the ingredients into the sorghum juice. Then for the black soap, I'll be adding the black soap that I'll be using into the mortar. Then I'm going to be pounding it. So while mixing the black soap, I'll be pouring in the mixtures. Then pound it to mix properly. So when I'm done mixing, I'll be adding the soap mixture into a bowl. I'll be adding warm water. This will help to dissolve the black soap. I'll be stirring so that the soap will dissolve quickly. I will leave it to settle for about 3 hours or more. So after about 3 hours or more, I'm going to strain to remove any particles from the black soap. So after straining, I'll be adding some ingredients. I'll be adding a teaspoon of cinnamon powder and turmeric. This ingredient will help to heal and prevent acne, improve our skin texture, reduce the signs of aging. So I'll be adding capsule seed oil. This will help to soothe dry skin and help to lock in moisture to our skin. Then I'm going to stir so that everything will mix properly. Then you can bottle this in any container of your choice, and whenever you want to use it, please make sure that you shake it properly so that all the ingredients will mix together. So this is a quick way to make your African body wash at home with no thickener or artificial preservative. I hope you can see how easy it is to make your homemade African black soap body wash at home. This is an amazing body wash that will help to clear out any skin irritation, eczema, ringworm, acne, pimple, dry skin, and also improve your skin texture. I hope you try this.